Hi everybody. So today I'm going to be putting together, I guess, my YouTube setup. I bought this space keeper here to hold all of my hair products as I have a plentiful amount. And I'm going to attempt to put this together. It seems simple enough. It's 4 shelves and poles. I'm going to put it right against this wall with a vanity, and in hopes to do my YouTube videos here. So I got this from Amazon. I also got this LED video light to go on my desk. The vanity itself has not come yet. These little handy hooks to I guess for, I don't know what they're going to be for actually. I'll figure it out when I use them. And it's 4 shelves. I guess I could put like flat iron cords. I don't know. I'll figure brushes maybe. Yeah, these it came with, I think, 8 hooks. So those, I'm sure I'll find a way to use them. But yeah, they just snapped on in to each shelf. There was 4 shelves. Along with the shelves, we had these poles to connect them. It's just plastic. It's nothing really like sturdy. But once again, it's really just to hold my hair products. So we will see if all of them fit. This is 2 of the shelves put up. Just showing you how I connected them. Excuse the shakiness. I'm just holding my phone here. Those poles took a little strength to push in. Then you just mounted another one and kept going up. It's kind of like building Legos, I guess. So got those put together. This is the final shelf unit. And this is what it looks like after I put my hair products in it. So it's almost full, as you can see. But wait, there's more. So my daughter and I decided to, and she decided to help me put up a vanity. It came in a box from Amazon. It's a lighted mirror and everything. So it wasn't too hard. I just had to connect the legs. The base of it was already there. So here I am screwing in each leg, and she's attempting to help. She did help. She vacuumed up all the styrofoam. And then she gave me all the screws to put in. But as you saw, every time I used a drill, she would run away because of the noise. It scared her. But here she comes with the screws. She did her job. And I would screw them in. The drill just made it easier. She ran away again. The drill just made it easier to screw them in quickly. But yeah, every time I use the drill, you'll see that she got out of there with a quickness. Once again. So, with 4 legs, it also comes with a little stool that I had to connect, and a lit mirror LED mirror that you can dim to your desired brightness. But I also have a LED camera that attaches to a tripod. So I may not use one or the other, or maybe I'll use both, depending on what kind of lighting I need. So yes, once I got all of these legs on, I had to attach the mirror that you see me doing right now. Couldn't figure out how I was going to do this by myself, but then little mama came in handy. So I had her hold up the connecting piece as I screwed it in. And it was like 9, 7, something like that, screws. So I put that pillow there just to connect in case she drops the mirror. I don't want it to crack. Yeah, and then I screwed in the backs. I laid it down on the pillow because she decided she got tired. So she kind of quit her job midway and started playing with the screws, as you can see. But yeah, I got all 7 screws in, and then you'll see me moving the desk to the desired location next to my hair product shelf, I guess I'm going to call it. Yeah, she tried to help, but, you know, she did mostly that. So this is me putting the feet on the chair. It was the same process. It was screws for 4 legs. And the first time she didn't run away when I used the drill. I just noticed that. She must have got used to it. And she's talking to you. What she's saying is follow Day-to-Day Smiths on YouTube. She's very excited about the camera filming this process. And I gave her a job to get her out of my face to connect the electricity. So there was an adapter plug that had to be plugged in behind the mirror. So she did something, and then she decided she was going to untangle the cord, which was helpful because it needed to be done. And I did the heavy lifting. I asked her to move a beanbag that was over in that corner. She couldn't lift it, so I did it for her. Back to my chair. So here is the final, she was telling you to follow us. Here's the final look. I turned on the light. She has already sat in the chair like it belongs to her. Yeah, I like it, happy with it. And this is the stand with all my products. So I feel I'm going to get a lot of use out of this vanity. And you guys will see it. And little mama has a message for you, and I will let that play out. And like and subscribe. Thanks.
Today Smiths are going away, so goodbye to Day Smiths. All right, peace out. Bye.